CharTech Nation, what is up? It's me, MC Josh. Well, this week it's Sales Lab Coach Josh. I don't know, so many hats. Guys, I wanted to take a minute and address all of CharTech Nation. I just got out of an awesome webinar with Brandy, our Director of Marketing, talking about intent-based buying. And a couple of you were there, or at least I hope. It occurred to me, guys, we have an academy coming up in just a couple of weeks, December 9, 10, and 11. We're gonna wrap the year up with some of the critical and foundational content that you're all used to. The tried and true methodology about how we sell and how we pitch, how we handle objections, how we fill the funnel. There's a little something for everyone. We've got sales, we've got operations, we've got marketing, we've got culture and finance. But for this last academy, friends, we have a special treat for you. In addition to the core content for the academy that you know and love, we're also going to have some hands-on, highly interactive, full contact, if you will, workshops. First and foremost, we're going to have a sales and marketing automation workshop where you're going to be able to work with Brandy and Gio from the Glass Hive team and have some done for you campaigns and journeys over the course of 3 days. Guys, if you're like me, I love to walk away with something in my hand, something I can execute on and kick off in 2026. Much better than we started, and for some of you ended in 2025. Second, we're gonna have a prospecting to close workshop, because as much fun as it is to get that check, to get that deal, to close, guys, prospecting, filling the funnel, all that stuff at the top, it takes work. I think you would agree. And so because that's the case, we're gonna have a workshop to help you with strategy and scripts and what I like to call embrace the suck, part of getting the opportunities into the funnel in the first place. Lastly, we're gonna have a planning session from winging it to plant. If you're looking back at the year 2025 and it wasn't the year that you wanted from a revenue perspective, new logos, profitability, guys, join me in 2026 and let's kick off with a bang. Let's not fly by the seat of our pants. In this workshop, we're gonna get a kickstart with the last couple of critical business weeks left in the year. Guys, execution and strategy put together makes for a good year. So one more time, I just want to invite you, all of CharTech Nation, please be my VIP guest here at CharTech HQ for our final academy, December 9, 10, and 11. I promise you, you will not regret putting this bow on your 2025.